Right guys, we're back with another video. Got the bat. Yep. Jesus. Anyway, I think I just got killed by a spider. Yes, I did. Jesus, okay. Okay, I can just go like... Is it actually there? Okay, yeah. I'm just gonna get... Oh, where am I going? Here. I'm gonna, where's my sword? Damn it. I need... Not 25, jeez. Can I use... No, I can't. Okay, I'll just take some of this. Well, all of this, maybe. There we go. That took a while to figure out, and let's go out of this. Oh, it's day, isn't it? I don't care. I still need to make a sword. Oh my things down here, isn't it? I need to get some coal. Did I even see welcome back? Welcome back to another video. Do play Minecraft. Not wanting to build this. Jeez. Right. 9. Nice. Okay, that's... Firstly, chicken. Oh, you run away from me. Because I'll show you what's gonna happen if you run away from me. Huh? Think I'm scary? Right. Oh, creeper, you killed me before. Can you kill me again? Oh my god, you're fast. So, yeah, I just died. I just saw a skeleton die. That's fair. Let's go over there. I hate creepers. I just cannot, like, do anything right. Well, I'll actually need them seeds. I'm gonna make a farm, suckers. Let's actually expand our underground. Actually, where is it? There. I think it's a better idea to just go over here. Wait, I'm gonna just dig it in the hill because that's like already underground. Jeez, what was I thinking? I don't actually need much of that, so I'm just gonna go straight in. Oh, I actually hate these controls though. I know you can change them, it's just my dumbness. Right, I spawn here, so I can literally just like dig this. But it's not a good idea to do it with this. Sup, yes. Oh my gosh, I was so dumb then. I was just like... Oh yeah, that's the stuff. It's 8, isn't it? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, right away, get in. Coal already? Yes, honey, you here. I've probably missed like coal in the ceiling like so many times in Minecraft. It's unbelievable. But anyway, oh this is nice. Nice. That's actually great. There's so much here. Like on my I think my iPad, it's like there's literally always iron if there's coal. There's a lot of coal. Now whenever I come in here, I'll just remember getting that coal. Right, we'll have to go down a bit because I just want to. And we can get torches now, so I think that's gonna be enough. Right. This is literally just digging this one, I think. I don't really know why I want to, like, swap houses. It's just, like, better than, like, because hills would have more ores and stuff in it, like iron ore. Oh, yes. Yes. Right, we need to go and, get some. Well, I actually need to get my crafting table. Oh my god, Jesus. I want you to spit at me, cuz. Spit at me. She spat at me. She or he spat at me. I need to do this. I just wanted to do that. Yeah, wow. Oh, down here again, this place. Yeah, great. I'm just not bothered to change to anything, because I don't have an axe, so I don't really care. And this wasn't much of a house anyway. It was just kind of a camp place. Well, yeah. Plus, where's these damn sheeps? Sheepies! There's no, like, sheeps around. I want you to spit me again. Come on. It's funny. Anyway, did I actually get the crafting table? I'm sure I did. Wrong thing. What do I press? Do I press E? How do I get into my inventory? Back. Escape. Is it I? Oh, here it is. Crafting table. What did I even press there? It's a backslash. Jesus. That's 4, isn't it? Okay, I'm gonna make a ton of these. Oh, I can only make 4. God damn it. Anyway, that's fine. 4's fine. Right, that'll do. Number 8. Oh, jeez, these controls are like flipping me out. I'm just gonna dig this way until there's like the ending of the thingy. Oh yeah, we're down, so it's fine. I think I want to dig this way a bit. This. Come on. Oh wow, that just great. It's a bit even, I guess. It's just a bit better than the last one, though, because we have light for one. Oh, this looks a lot better. Like, I just like how like stone looks in Minecraft. It's just, I don't know what it is. It's just like, this looks nice. That stuff I like. Stone, probably my favorite. Granite or whatever this is, I don't know. It's okay. But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. I forgot something. I just finished it, then I was like, I forgot to do this. And that gives me an idea for the next video you're gonna see. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye. And I mean it this time. Bye.